Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We share helpful tips and reviews to make your online journey easier. Today, we're talking about Hostinger, a popular hosting service. Stick around to the end of this video to learn how you can grab an amazing deal through the link in the description. Let's dive in. Hostinger is one of the best options out there for hosting your website. Whether you're building your first blog, starting an online store, or managing multiple websites, this platform has something for everyone. Hostinger offers plans starting as low as $2.49 per month, and with that, you get 3 extra months free, plus a free domain. That's a pretty sweet deal, especially if you're just starting. What's great about Hostinger is how beginner-friendly it is. Their dashboard is simple and easy to use. Even if you've never built a website before, you'll find everything laid out clearly. You can manage your hosting, domain, and SSL certificates all in one place. It saves you time and makes the process stress-free. Another standout feature is speed. Hostinger uses local data centers around the world. This means your website connects to the closest center, so it loads faster for your visitors. Even if your site gets a lot of traffic, Hostinger keeps it running smoothly. And with their 99.9% uptime guarantee, your website is always available. Security is a big deal too. Hostinger provides unlimited SSL certificates, daily or weekly backups, and protection from DDoS attacks. Your website and data are in safe hands. They also have a built-in website builder powered by AI. You can create a professional-looking site in just a few steps without needing to code. This is perfect for anyone who wants to get online fast. Now, let's talk about customer support. If you ever run into an issue, their team is available 24/7 through live chat and email. They respond quickly, usually in under 2 minutes. Plus, they speak over 10 languages, so help is always easy to find. One thing to keep in mind is the renewal price. While the starting cost is very low, the price goes up when you renew, but the features and performance make it worth it. If you're ready to start your online journey, check out the link in the description box. Hostinger is currently offering up to 80% off, plus 3 extra months and a free domain. It's a risk-free deal with their 30-day money-back guarantee. So why wait? Click the link and get started today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.